Are you just looking for a home with privacy? A block home, new roof, water heater, sprinkler system updated? I might just have the house for you. Welcome to 4 Porter Place, again here in Palm Coast, Florida. It is a one-owner home. Beautiful side entry garage. It is 3-bedroom, 2-bath. The yard is seriously like a park-like setting. In its prime, the flowers are blooming. You'll have fruit on some of the trees. It really is such a nice home. You have gutters on the house, as you can see. As I mentioned, the roof is newer. I love this, the entryway. And look at the detail in this tile floor here. You're going to see Tiffany lamps throughout this house, which is just incredible to me. So to my left is the dining. Beautiful window in the front, lets in a lot of light. You have a chair railing there. Again, Tiffany lamps, do you see that? Right here is a formal living room. To the right is the primary bedroom. This is a good sized room. You have sliders that lead out to a bonus room out there. I'll show you shortly. Plenty of room for your bedroom furniture, and even a desk or just a reading chair here in the corner, or heck, even a treadmill if you feel like exercising. We have the primary bath. We have a linen closet right here. Dual vanity. Walk-in closet, which is again a really good size in here. You have a walk-in shower that's tiled all the way, including the ceiling. A bench. And you also have this sand spa tub right here. This thing does a lot. It has chromotherapy, it has air jets, it even has a seat warmer. This is pretty cool. Then of course your own private space right there. All right, moving on. So right here is the breakfast nook. Big space, so much space. Again, the gorgeous lamps you see. Kitchen. Pantry. Laundry room, washer and dryer do stay. And since I'm here, I'll walk us out to the garage. Lots of space in this oversized 2-car garage. You have a door that leads outside. Utility sink in here. All right, we'll go back here. Also lots of storage space here in the laundry room as well. Really nice countertops. Overlooks the family room over here. Beautiful fan with lights. Look at that. I don't know if you can see all that. All right, on this side we have bedroom 2. Do have carpeting in this room. The sellers of this home are motivated. They are offering a paint credit if you want to repaint the entire inside of the house, because it has been lovingly lived in, but for a long time since this home has been built. Here's the second bath. Walk-in shower. Again, you have tile up to the ceiling there, as you can see. And you have bedroom number 3 over here. Good sized bedroom and closet space. I always love this. There's a pocket slider for privacy if you want to close it. And in here, it's just like a bonus space. Looks like it was once open, now it's all enclosed. Big room that you could really have a lot of uses for. And I think let's unlock this door. Leads to your back patio. It's very quiet and peaceful out here. Again, you'll still see the gutters going around the home. Can't see your neighbors behind you. And here we have it. 4 Porter Place, Palm Coast, Florida. Check it out. If you have any questions about this home or any others, feel free to hit me up in my DMs, comment. I'd love to connect with you. Thanks again so much for watching.